Hey guys, Georgie Santos here. Welcome to my channel where I do talk about a little bit of everything that interests me and that I think might interest you guys. And I got something super special. So this comes with the 2 Pokemon booster packs and the 3 legendary birds, Zapdos, Moltres, and Articuno. And then we got a jumbo coin here. But I'm going to be opening this up. Now, I've been liking Pokemon since I was little. I didn't just jump on the train, but if you... Now, I don't know how to do that, like, double screen thing, so I'm going to try to get these out as carefully as possible. Maybe if I angle this down a little more. And I'm going to put on my glasses. Okay. So we got 1 pack. Astral Radiance. Oh my god. Look at how beautiful that looks. Okay, gotta get my Articuno, and this is my favorite type of holographic, that galaxy. Okay, I know, sleeves, Jordy, sleeves. Ooh, and now the sleeves that I have here are the ones from Prismatic Evolutions, which I bought myself for my birthday. I'm just gonna get her in there, give her a little love tap, a little bit more. Okay. They don't make this easy. Oh my god. If you guys know an easier way to open this, please let me know. Oh, I just dropped the coin. Now it sounds like metal, but it is not. Well, it does actually sound like plastic, but it's kind of cute because of a Pokemon symbol in the back. I'm still trying to get these out. I don't know what this other pack is. Oh god. Yeah, so basically, like, right here's glued down. Here we go. And look, this pack was, like, stuck in the glue. So, I'm trying my best. And Silver Tempest. Oh, I'm excited. Sword and Shield, Silver Tempest. Got Zapdos out. Yes, so pretty. Give it a little nice tap. And if you guys do the live, there you go. Moltres. Trying to be careful. All right, there you have it. Now you probably just want to get me opening my packs. I do too. So let's start with Silver Tempest. Okay. So just gonna... Oh god, this glue did not make it easy. Oh my god. There we go. Finally. Okay. Now I don't know if there's a trick to this. Okay. So we got Snorunt. We got Sandile. Oh, Fennekin. Murkrow. Beldum. Oh, I kind of like the artwork. Ooh, okay, so we got Dawn Fan. Oh my god. Oh my god. This Arcanine V. I pulled a hit. Oh my god, it's a full Arcanine. And I love Arcanine. Oh my god. How do you even say it? His Swan. Oh my freaking god. That was great. And then we got our energy card. Okay, I guess it should have been like 4 to the back or something. Altaria, Brandon, Lantern, and another life card. Oh my god. Like, are you kidding me? I got a hit. I already got goosebumps. And now, you know what? It's really great. So I can't. Okay, I gotta get. Okay. ADHD. What am I looking for? I am looking at 4, 6, 5. Finance. Blue eyes. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just before I put it back in there. That was the first pack. Now, this really makes up for it because that was the one that was like giving me all the hassle. And also, stay tuned for next time where I unbox a whole bunch of freaking fakes that I got at the swap meet in Arizona. And I didn't know that if it has these ridges, I'm hoping it, but it comes with, you know, Silver Tempest. Anyways, I can't be mad. I got a 9 Moltres Tempest. Oh my god. Okay. Dawn Fan, you're alright. But let's go to the next one. Astral Radiance. God, I don't even want to open it. It's just pretty. Like, time for Astral Radiance. Now, I'm so excited. Let's see if I can open up this one. Oh my god. And this was $11, you guys, at Walmart. $11. I couldn't find it when I was looking at like TCG Player and whatnot. I really tried. Okay. My dog wants to come up here. Ah, that's Ruby. Okay. Ruby! Okay. She probably thinks it's treats. There's your code. I think. I don't remember. I don't remember if you're supposed to move them or not. But we got Ponyta. We got Cricketet. Tot. Psyduck. Psyduck. Patillion. She's giving me good luck. Stantler. Okay, Ruby, that's enough. Swinub. All right. Oh, no freaking way. Another hit. It's Dialga. Dialga V. Like, are these real? I got them from Walmart. And you know, when I was choosing this pack, it was like halfway through. There was like I don't know, probably like 100 of them. And I had to find the one that I felt right, you know? Dialga! Are they all supposed to come with hits, these ones? I gotta look that up. Wow. Okay. V-Star. I'm not sure what that is for. And then we got Gardenia's Vigor, Whiscash, and the Temple of Sinnoh. Get in there. So I would say this is a success. Oh my god. So if anyone wants to see that artwork again. Well, thank you guys for watching. I am going to be opening up this too next. Yes, they did have these in stock. So stay tuned. Hopefully we'll have some good openings. And if not, I love that you guys are watching anyways. Rate, comment, subscribe.